Hello everybody and welcome to this little game called Teardown. And basically, in this game, you just tear stuff down. So like as you can see here, blowing stuff up. And also, these cranes, yeah, you can drive that. And today we're going to be blowing a lot of things up. And I've actually installed like a million mods. So, let's just enable them. So yeah, I've enabled every single mod. And let's us just see where should we play. This one? That's a multiplayer thing. Yeah, this a classic Acacia Apartments. Okay, wow. Spawn intensity. I think I enabled a zombie mod. Whatever. But yeah. Start. Time survived. Okay, this is weird. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh. What? I think. Well, yeah, let's just break stuff. So as you can see here. Slapped. Dead. Also AK-47. You can aim down sights. This is like but yeah, there's also a vacuum. Wait, there's a tonnage thing. For sure that wasn't. I can just, it's just empty. The shaft is just empty. Yeah. So there's just it's like Japanese character. Concrete, grass, here is fly mode, and now let's just place down. Nitro this one. So, yeah. Let's just attach some dead cord because why not? And, it says K to detonate. Lots of debris here. I'm pretty sure you can actually make it, down. So I'm just trying to. Let's get so it's really laggy. Okay. Time to use debris cleanup mod. Also, I think. Oh, it didn't crash, but it's toppling over. Oh my god! Sorry for the frame rate. There goes the fire. Sorry. And, oh. Okay. Oh, wow. This building seems to be very sturdy. It would be a shame if I launched a nuke. Did I even drop a nuke? I don't think my CPU likes this. But yeah, let's go and check the damages. Oh, Minecraft boat. I didn't have that. But yeah, this place is it is new, but it's also quite small. Here you can actually. Okay, I'm gonna do this now. Yeah, it's Teardown. C4. Yeah. Time is like bomb time. Also, I think one of those. Yeah, there's another one. Oh, hungry slime. God, I don't know if but yeah, we certainly like the stuff. Just died. Okay. So yeah, they are quite armored. But also, it just how do you rotate? Ah, yes, I remember. Oh my god, the entire thing is falling. Let's do that again. Oh my god, I think the other does. It burned. The CPU is at 99%. Now it's at 70. Got my PC. But yeah, it's quite the thing to do. Oh, this is probably gonna be different. Not yeah. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy, and next time probably gonna do a small video of you aim? Oh, you can. But yeah.
Goodbye.